Hi everyone, this is a series of tutorial video for S300 Silicone 3D printer. This is the first tutorial video of S300 Silicone 3D printer to introduce the specification of the machines. First, you can see on the top of the machine we have three extruders. This E axis, I axis, and J axis, and this is the main specialty of the S300 Silicone 3D printer because we can use two-part silicone with E and I axis and use J axis for water-soluble support material. At the same time, the machine is equipped with two independent nozzles. We can use silicone material on the left nozzle and support material on the right nozzle. It can be moved independently to avoid interference during printing. Also, the machine has X, Y, Z axis.